Air traffic control is one of the most challenging, dynamic and stressful professions.
An aircraft movement in all phases, including pushback startup, taxi, takeoff, climbing, cruising, descending, commencing approach, landing, taxi, and parking to stand, all are subject to clearance from air traffic control.
Hi, I am Mohammad Javed Hamid Khan, Chief Air Traffic Control Officer, Shift Manager at Area Control Center, Karachi.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Uwais Zaidi, working in civil aviation as an aerodrome controller. Presently, I am working as a tower controller.
I'm Nafik Fazil Junejo. I work in Civil Aviation Authority as a tower controller. Currently, I'm working as a ground movement controller.
Blue 404 stand 16 POB 100 pushback and startup approved, runway 25 left.
Stand 18 pushback and startup approved, Blue 404.
Bravo Foxtrot Kilo 2 approved from Washing Bay to Hamilton Angle by taxiway Juliet. Exercise all cautions. Report when parked.
Good afternoon, Del 1556. Continue taxi holding point, runway 25 left. I hotel report ready. Faisal Air Force 153 की पोजीशन बताइएगा. Roger.
Tower 556, ready for departure.
Roger, sir. सर एयरफोर्स 153 एयरबोर्न हो गया और डेलमन 553 मेलावन फॉक्सट्रॉट राइट हेडिंग पे निकालेंगे क्या इसको. 556 लाइनअप रनवे 25 लेफ्ट कैंसिल एसआईडी आफ्टर डिपार्चर टर्न राइट हेडिंग 340 विंड 240 10 नॉट्स कॉशन बर्ड्स रनवे 25 लेफ्ट क्लियर फॉर टेक ऑफ.
Most renowned symbol of air traffic control is the control tower. From the time aircraft leaves the gate to the time it airbornes, and vice versa. From the time aircraft approaches to land to the time aircraft park to gate. It is controlled by ground movement controller and tower controller.
Yes, sir. Approved. Copy. Thank you.
Emirates 608 landed 5 nano taxi stand 23 by taxiways Charlie for November. Getting active ground 121.6. Bye bye.
Okay, well, intelligence 3, right Charlie, Echo November, and ground frequency of 116, Emirates.
Serene 503 clear land 25 left lighting variable. Walaikum Assalam, Serene 503 recheck wheels down and lock wind lighting variable caution birds runway 25 left clear to land.
Hi, it's Asad Rasool, Chief Air Traffic Controller, working as an approach controller at Karachi.
That's runway 25 left.
Pakistan 307, continue bridge 25 left, contact tower 1183 for landing.
Runway 23 office Pakistan 307.
Approach controller control the arriving and departing aircraft within terminal control area around airport.
Approach Pakistan 531, maintaining flight level 120.
531 Karachi.
When ready, descend to flight level 70 and request 6 miles final phone navigation Pakistan 531.
Stand 1-2.
Reclear 3000 feet on clearance on 012, Pakistan 583.
Qatari 6 Tango Mike Karachi, contact Karachi control west 28.35. Good day.
135, Qatari 6 Tango Mike.
Break Saudi 706, left heading 075 for downwind, descend altitude 3000 feet, QNH 1012.
Left heading 075, 3000, QNH 1012, sorry 706.
Right heading 2 to 5, descend 2000, cleared ILS 25, left report established, Pakistan 583.
MS 600 Karachi, radar contact, descend flight level 80. Expect vectors after Beijing for ILS approach 25 left. Saudi 706 reclear 2020.
Hi, I'm Saira, an air traffic controller working as radar controller in Karachi.
I am Asif Soro, air traffic controller working as area procedure controller.
Area controller controls the aircraft movement during en route phase, and these control centers are linked to adjacent control units for seamless aircraft controlling and movement throughout the globe. These are the ones who keep the small blips running into each other.
Contact reset squawk 1140, report me.
57.
Turkish 056, report 7. Speedbird 15, wicket जा रहा है इसकी Turkish 60, estimate wicket. Turkish 54, report your estimate wicket.
Delhi जी hold on बात कर रहे हैं सर ये 36 050 नॉट अप्रूव जी लाहौर 60 के लिए क्या लेवल है
सर 330 करा देंगे तो W60 को Turkish 84 I fly 0231265 Turkish 2 correction Kabul frequency 126.325 अच्छा स्पीडबर्ड 15 को 340 नॉन स्टैंडर्ड करवा दूं अभी क्योंकि अभी टर्किश 84 भी है या उसको हेडिंग पे ले लेते हैं टर्किश 84 स्पीडबर्ड 15 डिसेंट फ्लाइट लेवल 340 नॉन सेमी सर्कुलर ड्यू क्रॉसिंग ट्रैफिक और आइडेंटिफाइड 40 miles ईस्ट ऑफ मेरून रिपोर्ट रोमियो किलो टर्किश 54
सर देरी आ रहा बात कर रहा हूँ आपकी मैं बात कर
टर्किश 54 टर्न लेफ्ट और हेडिंग 070
हाँ ये बात करें कंट्रोलर से
दिल्ली कराची विकेट की कोऑर्डिनेशन में स्पीडबर्ड 15 जो है वो अलग अलग
LS3070 कराची रडार कॉन्टैक्ट
उसके पीछे हमारे पास टर्किश 5 और 11330 अगर दोनों को 330 में दोनों की सफिशिएंट नहीं होंगे तो किसी एक को 35 में दे देना ये स्पीडबर्ड 15 के लिए 350 अप्रूव करें
पाकिस्तान 302 Pakistan 302 maintain present heading after Romeo Kilo इसको टर्किश 54 को रिज्यूम करा देती हूँ टर्किश 54 प्रोसीड डायरेक्ट विकेट
My name is Mohammad Asif and I am Area Radar Controller West, Karachi.
I'm Munir Khan Niazi, Area Procedure Controller West. Malaysian 3.
5 Karachi Gate City 88 Alpha, flight level 360.
Etihad 8
5 variant request Eastern.
I-50
East, Karachi, flight level 150. Eastern, flight level 150.
126.5. Lufthansa 756 identified on scope 3617, position correct. Clear transit, tell them via flight plan, maintain 370, report Kilo Charlie. Five eight, copied. Good evening, Lufthansa 754 Karachi. Lufthansa 754, the report answered.
I fly 1833 approaching tap door change over Muscat control 128.15. Good day. Qatari 540 Karachi, radar contact, maintain flight level 410, report passing Kilo Charlie. 705 Karachi, expedite reaching flight level 380, I have one reciprocal aircraft at 370. Etihad 8 at Alpha, roger, descent flight level 340.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Hassan. I'm working as an area radar controller and presently working on Sector East in ACC JI.
I'm Mohammad Usman Salim, working as area procedure controller north.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Etazaz and I am area procedure controller east. Air India 918, good evening, radar contact, report Talam. Qatari 958 approaching Talam, contact Ahmedabad 123.75. Qatari 958, radar service terminated, contact Ahmedabad 123.75. Good night. Serene 525, contact approach 25.5. Goodbye.
Qatari 8630 Karachi, maintain flight level 390, report Talam. Lufthansa 754, position approaching Talam, radar service terminated, contact Ahmedabad 1237. Philippines 655 Karachi, radar contact, maintain flight level 390, report Talam. Philippines 683 Karachi, radar contact, maintain flight level 370, report Talam. Philippines 685 Karachi, radar contact, maintain flight level 370, report Talam. Expect flight level 350 before Talam due traffic. Air India 918 approaching Talam, radar service terminated, contact Ahmedabad 12375. Good day. Qatari 540 approaching Talam, radar service terminated, contact Ahmedabad 123.75. Khuda Hafiz. Pakistan 307, contact Karachi approach 1255.